Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on an upgrade that you can do for your Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff wheel. This is good, nice little M12 that you can use. Cuts off a lot of different stuff, but there's also an upgrade that makes it super easy for you guys that like to work on cars, and especially for grinding, spot welds, that sort of thing. So this is the 3-inch cutoff wheel tool. Part number is 2522-20. You can get it pretty much anywhere. The upgrade that we have, you can purchase on eBay. I got it through a company called Clausen Manufacturing, but it is basically an adapter bracket that you can go from this to this. The Milwaukee Belt Sander tool that Milwaukee never made, but should have. Alright, so to do the change, first thing you got to do is remove this bolt here on the cutoff wheel. This is a reverse thread, so you will just lock it down. And remember, it's righty-loosey instead of righty-tighty. So you'll remove the bolt, save that, screw, cutoff wheel, and that little piece there. So that'll get you down to this adapter plate here. The kit does come with the very small Torx driver. Kind of hard to focus and see that, but you get the point. So this goes in here. These are left-hand thread, so you just remove these here. And make sure to save these screws because you will use them with the new kit. The other good thing about this conversion is if you want to switch your tool back to the cutoff, you can do that very easily. It doesn't change anything that is permanent. And it takes a matter of 3 minutes to switch everything back. So we'll take out the last screw. As you'll see, this retainer comes off here, as well as the guard. Then we'll take this adapter here. You can see that the screws are offset, so there's two that are closer together and two that are wider. So you'll put the adapter over that. They are countersunk. What you'll want to do is start them off, and then same as if you're putting on wheels, is rotate just to make sure everything fits in good. Alright, and then once all those are in, you can tighten them all the way down. It just helps make sure that the adapter is lined up and square. Alright, then you take this drive belt, which is what the belt sits on. It slides over, and then you take the screw that comes with the Milwaukee and put that on, and this is lefty tighty you'll see it ties on, and you're good to go. So then you'll go and take either the Harbor Freight, which is a Central Pneumatic, or the Baxter brand belt sander. I'm using the Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic. You'll then remove this Allen key up on the top. And when you remove that enough, it slides right off. So it's just a press fit that fits over the Harbor Freight air tool. Then this slides over the new tool. You may have to open it up a little bit more just to get it to fit on. It will be a tight fit, but you'll get it on, you'll see that it comes square with the tool. Then just tighten down this Allen key again. Just like the Harbor Freight one, you can adjust the angle of it, whether you want it at a kind of straight like I have it, or do a 90, whatever works best for you. You can adjust it just by loosening up the Allen wrench and then adjusting this piece of it. So you put that on, get that clamp down, tighten good. Then grab your Harbor Freight belt. He gives you recommendations in the kit on different belts that he uses through McMaster Car that last a lot better for metal. But with the Harbor Freight, you see you just push this down, it'll lock in. You can then slide your belt over, and then this is the quick release to put tension back on it. Press that, and that puts tension on your belt. Throw in your battery. All right, and now we've got our belt sander. Everything works great on it. As you can see, it's got plenty of power. It's really a tool Milwaukee should have made, but they don't make it right now. I'm sure that they're keeping an eye on how many of these adapter kits are being sold on eBay. Last I checked, it was a couple hundred of them. So for a couple bucks, and you get the versatility of going from a belt sander back to your regular cutoff wheel, all with the portability of the M12, not having to worry about having compressed air, shop air to run it on. It's great in my mind, and again, to really have two tools for only an extra 50 bucks, plus whatever you get the Harbor Freight belt sander for. I think mine was like 20 bucks with the coupon. Really can't beat it. So hope you guys enjoyed this little tool talk segment we've got. If it's a tool you think you can use, go ahead and let us know. And if there's any other conversion kits out there for these cutoff wheels that you think are great tools to use and add to our toolbox, let us know, because we're always looking to add. And you know, the better tools you have, the easier it makes it work for you. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great New Year's.